Welcome. Today you'll learn non-sleep deep rest, the practice that gives you the mental restoration of a nap, without falling asleep. Non-sleep deep rest, NSDR, is Andrew Huberman's rebrand of a 2,000-year-old practice called Yoga Nidra. The mechanism is the same. Deliberate stillness, with directed attention, produces a distinct brain state, awake but not processing. The most striking finding, a 2020 study measured dopamine levels before and after NSDR. Baseline dopamine increased by up to 65%. That's comparable to a full nap, in a fraction of the time. The effect is not just about feeling rested. NSDR after a study session improves next-day recall by up to 15%. The rest state accelerates memory consolidation, the transfer of new information to long-term storage. It also works as sleep debt insurance. 20 minutes of NSDR after a poor night restores about half of what one missed hour of sleep would have provided. Not a replacement, but the closest thing we have. The technique has 4 steps. Together they build the state we want, awareness intact, body offline. 1. Settle. Lie down flat. Eyes closed. Let the weight of the body sink into whatever's beneath it. 2. Scan. Attention travels through the body, from the feet upward to the crown. Not to change anything. Just to notice. 3. Breath. Count 10 long exhales. Long exhales trigger the parasympathetic system, the deepest rest state the body has access to. 4. Rest. No more instructions. Awareness floats. If it drifts, let it. If you fall asleep, that's fine, you got what you needed. Let's begin. Lie down if you can. If not, seated is fine, head supported. Eyes closed. We'll move through the 4 steps together. Settle. Let the body drop. Notice every point of contact between you and the surface beneath you. Feet. Legs. Back. Head. Nothing to do. Just wait. Scan. Attention starts at the feet. Slowly travels up. ankles, calves, knees, thighs, pelvis, belly, chest, shoulders, arms, hands, neck, face, crown. Notice, don't change. Breath. 10 long exhales. Silent count. Each one a little longer than the inhale that came before it. Rest. No instructions now. Awareness floats. Let it go anywhere. You're already resting. Three ways to use this in the week. Post-lunch dip. The natural afternoon slump. 10 minutes of NSDR resets alertness better than caffeine, and leaves no crash 3 hours later. Before deep work. 10 minutes of NSDR before a demanding task improves subsequent focus. The rest state clears the working memory buffer. Sleep debt. After a poor night, 20 minutes of NSDR restores about half of what a missed hour of sleep would have provided. Not a full replacement, but a real one. That's non-sleep deep rest. Awareness intact. Body offline. The state where restoration happens without the commitment of sleep. 10 minutes a day is often enough. Subscribe for Module C5, Sleep Restriction.